Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how to view all saved passwords which are saved to our Google account. For example, if you're registering for any website and when the registration is compliant, a pop-up will appear, can we save this password? Sometimes we click on save. So that website registration password will get saved to that particular Google account. So in this video, I'll show you how to know all the saved passwords which are linked to your Google account. To do that, open Chrome or any browser on your mobile. Okay, this is on my Chrome, and here you need to search for, on Google I'm searching as my account Google. Okay, just enter, and here you need to visit through this website myaccount.google.com. remember, you need to click on this link myaccount.google.com. so this is what you will see the interface, and this is related to this particular Gmail account. So this is my DP picture. Okay, and here you'll get home, personal info, data and privacy, and security. So we need to click on this option security. Remember security, see here, and under security you need to scroll to bottom. There you will see an option called saved passwords. I'll show you. Yeah, where is this? Yes, see here, your saved passwords. So you have 7 passwords saved in your Google account. So click on this forward symbol to open password manager for 7 apps or websites. My password has been saved to this Google account. See here, if I click on this forward symbol, my password gets revealed, but I'm not doing this in this video. But if you want, you can check with your account, and this is how you can view all your saved passwords to your Google account. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.